Hey everybody, this is Desert Lumens bringing you another video first impression of the Lumintop Tool AA flashlight. As you see, you get everything that's shown. Now, if you're lucky like myself and you got your order in, and you would get this really cool box with the magnet on it. You know, it has the warranty card in there, you know, the cutouts for the lights and stuff. This particular kit came with just the rear tail clicky type light. Now they have another kit that comes with the tail light, the tail cap, that the tail clicky like this, and a magnetic tail cap. And when you use the magnetic tail cap, the flashlight, you would change the modes by twisting it. Now, this kit here also comes with 2 O-rings. Got the lanyard right here. Actually a decent lanyard. We have the instruction manual here, and let me, so you can see the run times. This flashlight could run on AA batteries and 14500 batteries. I have a 14500 battery in this light right now. Also, it comes with a diffuser, and as you can see with the light on my desk here, it does glow in the dark. So you turn it on, and as you see, it does glow. So that's really cool. Now, the machining on this flashlight is excellent. Mine is a little beat up because I do use my flashlights. The knurling on this is excellent. The grip is really good. The tail clip, the pocket clip here is really sturdy as well. As you can see, it has a smooth reflector, and it's a Cree XPL cool white LED rated at a 2230 candela. With the 14500 battery, it's 550 lumens and 110 lumens with the AA battery. This flashlight has 195 meters max throw. As you can, let me open up the tail here. You can see it has some nice springs. I'm using a EFS unprotected cell here, 14500. Excellent batteries. I love EFS. Now, the threads were lubricated really good. You can see down in there in the head. I'll take that off. You can see. All right, this flashlight, I always tell my buddy Victor, who works at Lumintop, I tell him this flashlight is the best thing, and its little brother, the Tool AA. I love both of these flashlights so much. The AA tool here, I always have it clipped to my shirt at night with the diffuser on, and because it's so hot here in the desert, running the lights, you know, it's just so hot. So we usually have flashlights or little lanterns we would use just to, you know, because it's so hot. So I have the diffuser on the light, and if I need it really quick, it has a really nice moonlight on this flashlight. And this flashlight also has so many different ways to turn it on. It's really cool how they did it. You can turn the light on and turn the head. And now you can just twist it back and it'll change modes. Also, with the magnetic cap, you can do the same thing where you would put the magnetic cap on and the back would be rear twist. So they did a lot of cool things with the tool. Lumintop makes a fantastic flashlight, and this flashlight at 550 lumens, it's perfect if you have a 14500 cell. Even the 110 lumen with the AA is really good if you want to, you know, keep it for your car or have it in your purse or in your bag or, you know, your change pocket. This flashlight is just so small it could fit. So if you're like me and you like small but powerful flashlights, check out the Lumintop Tool AA or the AAA version. I'm going to be doing a video pretty soon on the AAA model as well, and you'll see just a little preview right here. I use this light a lot. You can see how beat up it is. This flashlight gets used so much, and it's such a fantastic combo. Both of these lights together. Lumintop makes a fantastic light. So if you want to use this light, this is perfect. It'll fit in your everyday carry. This flashlight also is rated at IPX8. So that's always good. Alright guys, well, once again, I want to thank you for tuning in to my videos. This is Desert Lumens, and you guys have a very blessed evening.